In front of me is ACER Iconia P10, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Sound Recorder app and clicking on this red button on the left. Recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button, and to end it and save it, click on the right one. Now you can delete your recording right away by hitting this card or save it by tapping on Save. To access list of all your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines. Now to play the chosen one, click on it. And to delete it, misclick. Hold it and click on Win icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!